loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a happy dance because LA Nail Reserve reached out, y'all, and they sent me a gorgeous PR package with so many goodies, including their top and their base. Woo! So without further ado, let's get into all the magic. On the left-hand corner, I'm just quickly going through their website, which indicates that they are vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula. So this is just ringing to my ears because we love a vegan polish, y'all. We want to make sure we have as least amount of impact on this beautiful planet as possible. So as I go through this lovely website, I am just going to take out the goodies and get up close and personal with these new gorgeous colors. Found on their website in the About Us area, they say, "Our promise. We will always want the best for your nails by continuing to build Nail Reserve around vegan, 9-free, and cruelty-free products." And just stopping for a moment, it shows how far they've progressed because now they're doing 21-free. So as they source their materials and become a larger, wide-known company, they're able to do this. So it's a really amazing growth you can see already. And they said, "We will provide you access to the best manicures in the comfort of your own home." It says, "We promise to keep your nails healthy with affordable and salon quality soak-off gel polish and prioritize your well-being with the safest ingredients. We promise to keep your nails healthy and beautiful, powerful and jolly. Believers in the power of beauty. Designed and formulated as your go-to source of incredible colors and formula. Our gels can be worn in any way that works for you at all times. Whatever the weather, whatever the occasion, short or long, neon or nude, in the heaven of your sanctuary, we know you want nails you can trust, and we diligently dedicate each day and every gel polish to make this happen. Born from care, at Nail Reserve, we believe in the right to empowerment." Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. "We celebrate this by an easy access to salon quality gel polish that is also healthy no matter where you are on the globe, and giving you tools to create magic on your own. And for moments when you hesitate, we'll be there to reassure you that you are doing amazing and help with any questions that you might have about the products, application, etc. You are allowed to have beautiful nails no matter what." Oh my gosh, their vision too. So they say, "We know your nails will never be dull. We are sure your manicures will outstand and outlast for weeks. We promise to always keep your nails healthy and strong, and we commit to always being your provider of peace, joyfulness, and fierce colors. The reserve that keeps nailing it." They say that they offer a variety of 200 plus shades of soak-off gel, and that they continue to bring fresh colors, formulas to each season. So you're never bored, and your nails can live their best life in any shade. All of our products are created with love and passion at our HQ in Los Angeles, California. Just like you, we are gel users. We are gel lovers. We are Nail Reserve Los Angeles. So I know in the background here I have been swatching until I can't swatch no more, but I really wanted to go through their mission statement, as this is the very first time I have ever been able to try LA Nail Reserve. So I've had my beautiful sisters that work with the company, and just being able to have this amazing opportunity, it's such an honor. So I wanted to make sure I did them justice, and I went through their beautiful website and just tried to give you a little bit more information about their salon quality products. So I did want to mention their website formula. I've seen different nail business models like this as well, that you have the option to pay regular price Or for $29 a month, you can become a VIP and get 50% slashed off. And also, y'all, you gotta sign up for their newsletters because there is tons of events where there is 60% off. And then as well that you saw in this beautiful video, they gave me a code for 50% off always. So even if you don't want to become a VIP and pay that $29, do not fear because the discount codes are here, y'all. So that is Raven XNR, and that is for 50% off. And all the information, including the direct link, will be in the description box below. Romance is not only a stunning velvet hunter green, but y'all, this is magnetic, so I'm going to be playing around with different tools to watch the glorious magnetic shift. Now, this polish has such a nice twilight finish. It is so satiny and velvety. It's just absolutely beautiful. And as I use the underneath technique, you can see the magnetic particles manipulate. And you can see where it almost looks like a super cat eye that is coming out to play. That is a feast for the eyes. When you are looking at this in person, it is absolutely stunning. So gorgeous. Now, all polishes, I did 3 thin coats and I got a gorgeous coverage. So I'm just going to go through some of the stunning colors because I wasn't able to, when I was first showing you them out of the bottle and swatching, to go through my first impressions and go through the names of each of the products. So right now I am swatching and playing with Romance. The gorgeous holographic glitter was called Firefly. The hollow glitter on that just makes my heart melt, and I am an absolute sucker for anything holographic, so when they allowed me to pick 5 gorgeous colors, I could not resist. I had to get something hollow up in there. Next up is the stunning pink called Electric Pink. This pink will set your heart ablaze. I cannot get over, just reminds me of the 80s. It is so fun, and I picture it with pops of yellow, and my heart is a flutter, so we are definitely gonna have to play around with Miss Electric Pink. Now, because of these gorgeous colors and our blood pressure rising, I picked Blood Pressure, which is, at first you think a stunning copper, but the bright pops of red, oh my goodness, it gives a crushed ruby feel. It is so gorgeous. And then last but not least is Sweet Sapphire. And y'all already know I am a September baby, and Sapphire is my birthstone. So I could not resist. I had to pick this gorgeous, looks like crushed up sapphires. It is so beautiful. And then they also gave their base and their top. So please, y'all, if you love these swatches and these colors, head over to Nail Reserve. Make sure you are following their newsletter so you can get all the hot goss about all of their wonderful products. And if any of these touched your heart and you want to add them to your wish baskets, you can feel free to use my code that's in the description box below. And that includes a direct link as well that makes it easy peasy lemon squeezy to save 50% off of any colors you choose. They also have boxes that you can create your own gel boxes and all sorts of goodies on their website, along with their rotation of brand new fresh colors. So don't miss out. Make sure you run over and head out to their website and see these stunning colors and click that notification bell so you don't miss any future content, because y'all, there will be full sets using these beautiful colors. Nail Reserve, Jenna, thank you so much for reaching out. I hope I made you proud and swatch these for the heavens, and I can't wait to see my beautiful nail family in the next video. Mwah! And remember, do all things with love. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.